The LAUNCH X431 Plus with PROG3 Tool is a comprehensive diagnostic tool designed specifically for repair shops, offering top diagnostic functions and professional services. One of its standout features is advanced ECU coding, allowing technicians to perform high-end repairs and customize various car functions. With over 39 services, this tool enhances common diagnostic functions and provides new solutions like ECU reset and turbo matching, quickly solving complex vehicle problems. It offers OE-level all-system diagnostics and bi-directional control, enabling thorough scanning and command sending to pinpoint issues in various car components efficiently. Supporting over 150 brands, it covers a vast range of vehicles and includes new protocols for faster data transmission with specific car manufacturers. The product also comes with a 2-year no-fee updating policy and a 5-year quality undertaking, ensuring it remains up to date with new functions and technologies.